how to clear cache on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear cache on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply scroll down and tap on apps. And now here in this section, just tap on manage apps, and this will show you a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now here you can simply choose the app that you'd like to clear cache data for, and it is usually a good idea to start with the apps that you don't use very often or apps that take up a lot of storage. And now here, once you are in this section, then you can simply tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on the option labeled as clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And now here with that, the cache has been cleared from this app. Now you can repeat these steps for any other apps that have accumulated a large amount of cache data. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.